Global's Make Some Noise is Classic FM's charity that helps disadvantaged children and their families right across the UK. That's why I'm here just outside Cirencester, about to take part in this wing walk. As you can see, I'm really excited about it. Not.
Welcome to RSC Rentham Airfield. Wing walking is an amazing and exhilarating experience.
She looks like she's not having a good time. Oh my. You're basically, your cheeks around your ears then. Oh man.
Get to wave and enjoy.
And apparently you can glide down if the engine fails.
They can go extraordinarily slowly.
55 miles an hour, yeah. I've asked.
You've checked?
Yeah. I just wish I hadn't sung that Christmas song. I can't believe I'm going to be on that wing. It's just crazy. What's that? It's too late to go up? Oh. I feel like I should be like Tom Cruise, standing on the wing, but he wouldn't be wearing this clown's outfit, would he?
Maybe not, but it is rather fetching.
Thanks. Sure that's strong enough to take me?
That bit is.
Yeah, okay. Once you're up there, it's amazing. Just once you get your head around the fact that you're on a wing, takeoff is scary.
I hope he's enjoying it.
Honestly, when he peeled away, literally the edge went like that, and I thought, oh my, I thought we were going over. I've never ever had more squeaky bum moment in my life.
He's landing now.
That was the scariest thing I've ever done. I got to sing Walking in the Air. That's it, job done. Mic drop. I'm doing all this for Global's Make Some Noise charity, helping disadvantaged young people in the United Kingdom and their families, and giving a voice to small charities who don't normally get heard. Thank you to everyone who's donated so far. Thousands of you have. Please carry on donating. Let's make all this, my fear, worthwhile. To donate £5, all you need to do is text ALED5 to 70766. £10, ALED10 to 70766. Sorry, my mind's gone, I've just been in the air. £20, ALED20 to 70766. Otherwise, you can visit my fundraising page at classicfm.com and you can give thousands. Honestly, if you could feel my heartbeat now, it is going 10 to the dozen. As I say, exhilarating, but very scary. Might keep the goggles though.
I'm holding very tight. I'm riding in the midnight blue. I'm finding I can fly so high above with you.